Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and I am here with this week's A Crafty Friday project. This week I have 3 sheets of ephemera that are going out for free to my email list. If you're on my email list, you will find that in your inbox today. Otherwise, if you'd like to sign up, you can find a link in the description down below and get these pages sent to you immediately. Now, I'm not really doing any crafting today. It has been hot this week. My air conditioner was broken earlier this week. It has just been so chaotic, but I wanted to show you all of the pieces and give you my frost challenge. Because it's so hot, I felt like we needed something a little frosty and cool, but still magical to cool off this week. And so what I've provided for you are 3 pages, one with some little sayings and a couple of fussy cuts, and then a page with some of these larger cutouts, and a page with some backgrounds. My challenge to you is to use one of the sayings and one of the images along with anything else that you want to use. Just use a saying and an image. It can be a fussy cut or one of these other pieces, and create something. Create a tag or a junk journal page or a card or any other kind of junk journal or paper crafting project. Then go over to the Facebook group and share what you have made. There is a link to the Facebook group in the description down below as well. So if you would like to do the frost challenge, you can get these downloaded, get something made, and then head over to the group and share what you have made. Just like the last challenge, you can print on your choice of paper or cardstock, just depending on what you're going to do. I printed mine on paper. I was going to do some collage work with these, maybe on some kind of a little notebook, and I just ran out of time. So please pick the paper that works best for you, paper or cardstock, and what you need for your project. Another tip is that if some of these are too large, you can reduce your print size. So you can print the page at 60% or 70% size, and that will shrink some of these pieces a little bit. I gave you nice big pieces to work with, but if they're just too large, shrink your print size or print 2 pages to a single page and make them really small. So just play with your printer settings and see what you can come up with if you'd like to mess with the size of all of these things. I know this has been a really quick video from me today. I'm sorry I'm not doing any crafting, but sometimes I just need a little week off. But I'm looking forward to seeing what all of you make with this. So sign up for the email list if you haven't, get these downloaded and printed, and I will look forward to seeing your post in the Facebook group.